Hi, welcome back. I have some acrylic ready to pour paints that I purchased a little while ago that I want to use. I have never used acrylic ready to pour paints because I enjoy making my own pouring medium and mixing it in the acrylic paint. Ready to pour paints are exactly what the name says. They are pre-mixed with a pouring medium to a fluid consistency and ready to use straight out of the bottle. To get started, I will add several drops of silicone oil to each bottle of paint and shake the bottles to mix. I will list all items I am using in the description box below. Let me know what you think about this project by clicking the thumbs up button and letting me know what your thoughts are in the comment box below. Now that my paints are mixed with the silicone oil, I will start by adding a white paint around the edges and the corners of my canvas. This white paint does not have silicone oil in it. I do this step so that I can be sure that my edges and corners are covered with paint and that I don't have to worry about them as I am tilting my canvas. Now I will start adding the colored paint to the canvas in rows. I am not going in any specific order. I am just trying to alternate the colors and have the bright colors next to the dark colors. I am also trying to fill any gaps that have been created without adding too much paint to my canvas. For the blank section of canvas that is remaining, I will add the black paint. This will be my swipe color. Using a dry paper towel, I will lightly press it into the black paint. Once the paper towel has grabbed the paint, I will pull it across the canvas, covering all of the rows of paint, and repeat on the other side. After letting the paint rest for a moment, I will pick up the canvas and slowly start tilting the paint so that the cells can stretch. This video has been sped up. It is important to take your time while tilting. If you tilt too fast, the cells will lose their shape and you will get more of a marbled look. I think this project is looking good. The cells are not as big as what I am used to with my own pouring medium mix. These are a lot smaller and a lot more irregular shape, and some of them look like pin dots. I am not excited about how the cells are turning out, but I do like how spooky this is turning out and how different the paint looks compared to the others I have done with the swipe technique. I will let this painting dry for about a week, and then I'll add some sparkle to it. I am pouring on some Liquitex high gloss varnish in a small area across the painting in an irregular shape. Using some fine glitter that matches the colors in my painting, I am sprinkling the glitter on top of the varnish. To give it a little more texture and sparkle, I will add some of the crushed glass mix that I colored with black alcohol ink. Coloring the crushed glass mix is super easy. I just pour some of the mix into a Dixie cup and add a few drops of the black alcohol ink and mix. Be mindful of how much alcohol ink you add. In this situation, less is more. Start with about 4 drops and mix it in. If you need to add more ink, then add 1 drop at a time. If you add too much alcohol ink, then the mix gets real runny and the alcohol ink will start to spread over your painting as you pour it on. It can get messy real quick if you are not careful. When I pour the crushed glass mix onto the canvas, I will make sure I am covering the very top portion of the existing varnish line and a little bit into the fine glitter I added. It is better to be irregular and random in the thickness in this step. Using a wood stir stick, I spread out some of the areas I did not like, and I helped to shape it a bit. I will add a small amount of varnish on top of the crushed glass mix to help secure it in place. I went slow during this step because I wanted to make sure all of the pieces got covered. The varnish does look cloudy when wet, but it will dry crystal clear. I will let this piece sit about 2 days before I pick it up and start tapping off the excess glitter and glass mix. I will take this painting outside and give it 2 layers of crystal clear enamel spray to make sure the glitter and the glass mist is secure, and to give it a final sealing coat. I love how this embellishment has turned out with this painting, but I can't decide which way is up. What do you think? Let me know what you think about this project in the comment box below. Thank you for creating this project with me. I will see you in the next video. Bye!